Hi, I'm Andy from Howard's Peugeot in Taunton, and I'm going to show you around this lovely 308 SW in the GT line specification. So this car comes with a large panoramic glass roof, there's 18-inch alloy wheels, full LED headlights, you get tinted rear windows, front and rear parking sensors with 180-degree colour reversing camera. Now inside the car, the touchscreen has 3D navigation, DAB digital radio, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto and Bluetooth. But on top of this you get dual zone air conditioning, there's automatic headlights and wipers, and cruise control with a speed limiter. So let's have a look around. This car's got the 1.5 litre Blue HDI engine that gives you 130 horsepower. There's a 6-speed manual gearbox. The car's done less than 7,500 miles. If it's of interest to you, then please get in contact with us at Howard's Peugeot in Taunton. Thank you.